Hello, my name is Jacob, and I'll be talking about the main protocols used on the internet. The first one is called TCP/IP, and what this is, it stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and then the slash and the IP stands for Internet Protocol. And this is the main communication standard that is used on the internet. And there are two types of IP addresses. The first one is called IPv4, and this stands for IP version 4, and it is a 32-bit IP address, and it is set up by using 4 sets of numbers with periods in between them, and each set of number can be between 0 and 25 decimal. And what that is, so for example, it could be 12, 37, 215, period, and then let's say 92. Now, so this is just a basic example of an IPv4. And now what all of these are, now this is written in decimal, but however, the way the computers see it, they can only read in binary. So, as we already know, if we convert this to binary, this would be 0, 1, 1. And then, however, there would also be these 4 zeros over here. Now, so we have 8 bits, so this is also known as a byte. So, since there's 4 of these, there's going to be 8 every single time, so that's where we get the 32 bits from. Each individual number is 1 byte. Now, there are, to get the exact number of, like how many possible IPv4s there are, it is 2 to the 32nd, which is a very high number. However, with so many IP addresses out there, it is not enough. So what they had to do was they had to create what is called IPv6, which is just IP version 6. And although IPv4 is still commonly used, we're transitioning to, like our world, like the internet today, is transitioning to IPv6 just to have more IP addresses. It is known as like the next gen of IP addresses. And what it is a 128-bit hexadecimal. Oops, that's not hexadecimal address. And so an example of this could be, first off, hexadecimal is numbers 0 through 9 and then letters A through F. So 0 through 9 is 0, 1, 2, 3, and then A would be 10, B would be 11, and you go all the way to F, which is 15. And so an example of an IPv6, it's 4 bits, or not 4 bits, it's 4 hexadecimals, but 8 times. So example could be 7, 6, DC, and then they are separated by a colon, whereas IPv4 is separated by a period. So it'd be example 76 DC 12 AF dot semicolon or colon, and then 6 more of those. And what this is with more there are many more combinations of IPv6 as compared to IPv4. The exact number is 2 to the 128th power, and that equals a number that is 340 unidecimals, which is basically, just imagine the number 340 and then 36 digits after that. So there are virtually endless amounts of IPv6. So for the foreseeable future, we will no longer have a problem of coming up with IP addresses. And thank you. So these are the 3 versions, or the three main protocols used on the internet. So just to recall, it's TCP, which is Transmission Control Protocol, IPv4, and IPv6. Thank you.